As we all know, time is money on installations. Labor costs will kill your profits on any job. We design these transformers for ease of installation, for professionals. These transformers are not designed for the DIY crowd. They're more complicated, but if you're taking the necessary steps to check your voltage at the luminaires, to check your amperage on the secondary side, and to install this properly, 12 inches high, you're going to have an ultra-reliable system coupled with Sterling lighting luminaires. These two products brought together has allowed me to grow my business, will help you grow your business, because you could install a lighting system and know it's going to work. Sterling Lighting set out to build better transformers, ultra-reliable, high-grade professional transformers. These are the two most popular transformers out there, 150 watt, our 300, which is what I recommend for most applications, and our 600 watt transformer for the larger applications, to give you ultra reliable transformers, ultra reliable energy delivery, and something that's going to last a lifetime. Just for some information on these transformers, they're 304 stainless steel. They come with the 3 anchor points on top, an anchor point on the bottom. When these are installed, they must be installed at least 12 inches above grade according to ETL or UL code. That's an important aspect. We designed this with the professional in mind. Having done thousands of installations, we know what makes the install move much faster and better. This door is a door that opens up vertically and has a magnet on it. So as you're working on the transformer, it's very easy to put the door up, not have to take the door all apart and mess with all of that. It has 4 different holes on the bottom and a large hole, so you could put a 1 inch to 1.25 inch PVC pipe into it, or smaller pipes depending on how you are bringing the wires up into the transformer itself. I am a huge proponent on simple transformers. So often we see in the market that they're selling sizzle. They're selling the idea of these very complicated transformers that have automation built into it. What I have found is if I design a great lighting system and the transformer doesn't communicate, or some of the components go bad in it, the customer doesn't care why it doesn't work. They're just calling you angry that their lighting system that you installed is not working. I believe in keeping transformers simple and reliable.